Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will simply be showing you guys how you can log in to the Dave app. So first of all, install the Dave app on your device. Once you have the Dave app installed, open the application. Then you will land on this page where you have two options to log in or to sign up. As we are about to log in, tap on the login option on the left. When you tap on the login option, a pop-up appears where you can choose a way to log in. You can either choose to log in with one-time link or you can log in with your credentials. In this video, I will be showing you how you can log in with your password. So, in the first step, enter your phone number, then tap on next. In the next step, you will be asked for your password. Then, in that section, type in your password, tap on next. Once you do next, then you will be logged into the Dave app. So this is how you can log into the Dave app online. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please subscribe to the channel for further updates. Thank you.